Have you ever looked at a map and wondered how to clearly represent roads, rivers, planning boundaries, railway networks, and movement directions without making everything look cluttered? That's exactly where MAPOG's annotation tools come in. In this video, we'll explore the 10 types of map lines and when to use each one. Go to story.mapog.com. Open Workshop by clicking Create and Publish Map. Then select Create New Map and select Blank Map. Enter your project name, description. Then click Create Map to save the map. After coming to the interface, search for the location you want to visualize. Navigate to the annotation section. We'll begin with the dashed line. Select the dashed line tool and click on the map to start drawing. Continue placing points to define the boundary. Dashed lines are commonly used to represent future urban expansion boundaries. And double-click to complete it. Open Properties panel to customize its brown color and style. Next, select the Curved Line tool. Click multiple points to create a smooth flowing path. The curved lines are ideal for representing water bodies. Double-click to finish drawing. Now choose the curved dashed line. Draw the annotation by placing points along the desired path. Customize it with teal color from the Properties panel. Now select Straight Line. This is perfect for illustrating proposed expressways or major road corridors. Change color to the red and increase width. Use the Curved Dotted Line to represent survey routes, inspection routes, or field visit paths. Styled it in dark blue color. Select the Railway Line annotation and customize it with a purple color and increase width to clearly display existing railway lines or metro corridors. Use Dotted Line for visualizing tourist routes, recreational pathways, or cycle tracks. Customize with pink color. Use Straight Arrow when you need to indicate direction or movement. It is also ideal for representing daily commuting flow and traffic movement. Change the color to green. Again, go to the line. Select Curved Arrow, Dashed Line. For predicted growth directions or future development corridors, choose the Curved Arrow Dashed Line, styled in red with a dashed pattern and arrowhead. Finally, use the Curved Arrow to represent wind flow, air movement, or river flow direction, displayed in orange color. Once all the annotations have been added, upload legend image that explains every annotation type used in the map to enhance your visualization. You can also upload your logo from map settings to give the project a more professional and branded appearance. After completing the map, click on Preview and Share. Inside the Map Type section, you'll find two sharing options: Public, which allows anyone with a link to access the map and embed it to websites. Private, which is designed for secure collaboration with selected users. From Access option, you can provide map access to selected user as editor and viewer. Choose the option that best fits your use case and configure the available display settings before sharing your project with your team or stakeholders. By selecting the right annotation line style and customizing it effectively, you can transform a simple base map into a powerful visualization tool for urban planning, transportation studies, infrastructure projects, environmental analysis, and GIS workflows. You need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.